Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change the keyboard theme on OnePlus Nord for 5G. First of all, we need to open the settings. In the settings, scroll all the way down and go to System and Update, and then choose Keyboard Input Method. Over here, go to Manage Keyboards and select Gboard, as this is the default keyboard that we use on this device. And over here we can choose Theme. Here we'll find some themes that we can use immediately. We also have, for instance, landscapes, light gradients, dark gradients, and so on and so forth. All of them can be pretty much downloaded immediately. So let's say I'm gonna choose this dark gradient, then I can enable and disable keyboards and press apply. And now I have a new theme. If you want to, you can also set up your own theme by pressing this plus button at the top under my themes, and then you can choose, for instance, a photo from your gallery, and then you can adjust the photo. Press next. We can adjust the brightness of the image. Press done, and you can also enable and disable keyboards and press apply. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.